Welcome to Easy English World.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy English World. In today's lesson, you will practice a long, natural, and realistic English conversation about daily life. This dialogue will help you improve listening skills, speaking confidence, daily vocabulary, natural expressions used in real conversations. Try to read along, repeat sentences, and imagine yourself in the conversation. Let's begin.
Good morning. Welcome. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Christina. How are you feeling today?
A little nervous, but also excited.
That's completely normal. Don't worry. Just relax and speak naturally.
Okay, I will try my best.
Great. So, before we start, could you tell me a little about your daily life?
Sure. My daily life is quite simple, but busy. I usually wake up early in the morning, around 6 a.m. Then I prepare breakfast, get ready, and start my day.
That sounds like a healthy routine. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread, eggs, and sometimes fruit. I also drink tea or coffee. It depends on my mood.
Nice. A good breakfast is very important. Do you always have time to eat calmly?
Not always. Sometimes I am in a hurry, on weekdays. I try to manage my time better, but it's not always easy. Not always. Sometimes I am in a hurry, on weekdays. I try to manage my time better, but it's not always easy.
Yes. Time management can be challenging. What do you usually do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I check my phone quickly. Messages, emails, and news. Then I either go to work or study, depending on the day.
What kind of work or study are you involved in?
I am currently working and also improving my English. I try to study English every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes.
That's a very good habit. Consistency is key. How do you practice English daily?
I watch videos, listen to conversations, and sometimes I speak with friends. I also try to think in English during the day.
That's excellent. Thinking in English is a powerful technique.
Yes, but sometimes it's difficult. I forget words, or I translate from my native language.
That's completely normal. It takes time. Don't worry about mistakes. They are part of learning. Tell me more about your daily work routine.
Well, I usually start work around 9 a.m. I check my tasks, respond to emails, and attend meetings. Sometimes the day is very busy and stressful.
What makes your work stressful?
Mostly deadlines and unexpected problems. Sometimes I have to finish tasks quickly or solve issues with little time.
How do you handle stress in those situations?
I take short breaks, drink water, and try to stay calm. I also make a list of tasks to organize my work better.
That's a very smart approach. Organization helps a lot.
Yes, I learned that from experience. When I don't organize my day, everything becomes chaotic.
I understand. Can you share a real-life example?
Sure. Last week, I had many tasks and a tight deadline. I felt overwhelmed at first. But then I wrote everything down, prioritized the most important tasks, and focused step by step. In the end, I finished everything on time.
That's a great story. It shows discipline and problem solving. What do you usually do after work?
After work, I usually go home, rest for a bit, and then have dinner with my family or alone.
Do you cook your own meals?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. If I am tired, I prefer something simple or quick. But on weekends, I enjoy cooking more.
What do you like to cook?
I like simple dishes like pasta, rice, and vegetables. Cooking relaxes me.
That's wonderful. Cooking can be very relaxing indeed.
Yes, It helps me clear my mind.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like watching movies, listening to music, and sometimes reading. I also enjoy walking outside when the weather is nice.
Do you prefer alone time or social time?
I like both. I enjoy spending time with friends, but I also need quiet time alone to recharge.
That's a healthy balance.
Yes, I think balance is important in life.
Absolutely. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy learning languages, especially English. I also like writing short notes or journaling my thoughts.
That's excellent for personal growth. Let me ask you something more personal. How do you feel about your daily life overall?
I think my life is stable, but sometimes repetitive. I try to improve myself and add new experiences.
That's honest. What would you like to change?
I would like to have more free time and less stress. Also, I want to become more confident in English.
That's a very clear goal. What motivates you to improve?
My future goals. I want better opportunities and communication skills. English is very important for that.
Yes, it opens many doors.
Exactly. That's why I keep practicing every day, even when I feel tired.
Imagine this situation. You wake up late, your internet is not working, and you have an important meeting. What would you do?
Oh, that sounds stressful. First, I would stay calm. Panicking would not help. Then, I would try to find a solution quickly. Maybe use mobile data or go to a place with internet access.
Good thinking. What else?
I would inform the meeting participants about the situation and apologize for the delay. Communication is important.
Exactly. Clear communication solves many problems.
Yes, and I learned that being flexible is very important in daily life.
Looking at your daily routine, what do you think is your strongest habit?
I think my strongest habit is consistency. I try to do small things every day, especially practicing English.
That's very powerful. Small daily actions create big results over time.
Yes, I believe that too.
And what is one habit you would like to improve?
I want to improve my time management and reduce procrastination.
That's a great goal. Step by step, you can achieve it. Christina, it was a pleasure speaking with you today. You expressed your thoughts very clearly.
Thank you very much. I really enjoyed this conversation.
Before we finish, do you have any questions for me?
No, not at the moment. Thank you for your time and kindness.
You're welcome. Keep practicing English daily, and you will improve a lot.
I will. Thank you again.
Learning English is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent, patient, and brave enough to speak, even when you make mistakes. Practice every day, speak slowly, think in English, and don't be afraid to express yourself. Remember, small practice every day equals big improvement over time. Keep going, keep learning, and believe in yourself. See you in the next lesson on Easy English World.